PrepLadder 2021 Dream Notes are really a dream come true.
If I have to describe these notes in 3 words, I'll be using student-friendly, concise and high-yielding.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate the PrepLadder Dream Notes of 2021 9.5.
I think PrepLadder has put the pedal on the metal with these notes. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sachin Goel.
I am Dr. Ayush Jain.
I am Dr. Udit Kathuria.
I am Dr. Suvranker Datta.
I appeared in NEET PG 2020. I scored a rank of 493.
I secured a rank of 11 in June AIMS 2020.
I secured a rank of 9 in the AIMS May 2020 exam.
I just passed my FMGE December 2020 with 207 marks in the first attempt.
I reviewed the PrepLadder 2021 Dream Notes.
And I have realized that this year the notes cover almost 95 to 98% of the entire content in their video modules.
The note seems to be well concise, compact and more complete this time. They aren't over the top or too much, but they seems to be constitute a lot of information into them.
The first thing that caught my attention was the clinical correlate boxes.
These will be very helpful.
Mind map.
Mind maps features.
The way they have presented the information so neatly into the notes.
While preparing for exam, what do we need? We need the summarizing the whole section in just one page. So,
they have introduced a new concept in the form of mind maps which summarize the whole content of a chapter into a single page at the end of a chapter.
I'm really impressed with these mind maps as they are a good summary point at the end of each section.
These will be very helpful for the students in cracking the entrance examinations. We have seen that over the last few years, clinical scenarios are a very favorite hot topic in all the entrance examinations. This year, PrepLadder notes have included clinical correlate boxes which have integrated the preclinical and the clinical subjects.
Linking the concepts of non-clinical subject with their usage in the clinical subjects is a really great idea. I think these are just perfect.
Clinical correlate boxes, these yellow boxes, they integrate the basic non-clinical subjects with the clinical subjects, which is really helpful.
I saw that the previous year questions have been tagged in the PrepLadder notes,
which is a really good feature, and now you know where to find the high yield stuff.
I really like the fact notes are marked with timestamps.
Using these timestamps, you can directly jump to the specific topic you want to study instead of streaming through the whole video.
These are very useful because while reading, you can directly jump to the specific section of the video by using the timestamp, and that does save a lot of time for the students.
The free space provided at the side of each notes is a really good feature where you can annotate the high yield stuff from the videos. If I have to describe these 2021 Dream Pack notes in 3 words, that would be best notes ever.
Succinct, high yield and innovative.
Student-friendly, concise and high-yielding.
These notes would help you to own your dream. I think with these notes, PrepLadder has really hit a home run this year.